Hi everyone, and welcome to Poppy DIY Crafts. Today we're going to be making a notebook cover. If you haven't seen it, make sure to check it out after this video. I think they turned out really great. Today the theme is Harry Potter, and take a look, I found this beautiful patch for Gryffindor. And so this is going to be the centerpiece of our notebook, and I have my little notebook mold over here. This is one of the large ones, and so I thought it would be really cool if we can put this patch right here in the middle of the mold. And I also have this really cool feather pen from Harry Potter. So let's take a look. This is such a cool pen. Let me take it out of the packaging. And just look, isn't this neat? It's so beautiful. So I thought it would be really cool if we can somehow attach it to the notebook and make it removable so that it's part of the notebook cover, but at the same time you can use it. Here are the other supplies. You're going to need some epoxy resin, some gold and magenta beads. These are the colors of the Gryffindor. Some glitter. I have black and silver. Some gold ink. This one is rich gold. And some letters. Alright, let's get started. The first thing we want to do is prep the letters. So under the patch, we're going to write Brave at Heart in black glitter. So these letters are double-sided. We're going to peel off the paper on both sides of the letter and dip it in black glitter. Once we're done, so we don't lose the glitter, we're going to cover it with a layer of Mod Podge. Next, let's mix our resin. I'm going to make a batch of 40 mils. Here is part A, and here is part B, the hardener. So this is a 1:1 ratio. Next, we'll add a few drops of gold. Give it a stir and see how it looks. Oh, this is looking really pretty. Alright, let's go ahead and pour this first layer. Hopefully we made enough. We just need a very thin layer all the way to the edges. Alright, so I see a few empty patches, but I think that's okay because we're going to be adding some beads and our little patch on top, and that will display some of the resin. So let's go ahead and do that first before we add more resin. Go ahead and take our little patch out, and then we'll see where the resin goes. So let's drop it right here in the middle. You can see the resin moving away to make room for it. Now we're going to take our gold bead and we are going to pour a strip of it right down the bottom over here. And we're going to make it very thick. On the very bottom, we're going to add some red. On the top part, we're going to cover it completely in red. Alright, so far I think it is looking really good. We have the red beads on top, the gold beads in the middle, and some more red beads on the bottom. And so now we need to add a little ring stand for the pen. So I want to be able to put the pen this way on the notebook cover. And so what we're going to do is take a little twist tie here, something that we can use to hold on to the pen and embed it in the resin. So I'm just going to take this and we're going to embed it in here so that we'll be able to stick the pen inside like this. Now we can also add the letters. While the resin is still wet, we can move the letters into position. Alright everyone, so it has been 24 hours and take a look. Oh my goodness, I think this is looking so awesome. So the resin is hard. We can go ahead and take off the backing. Let's demold our little notebook cover here. Okay, so here we have it. This is the back. You can still see the patch here. And here is the front. Oh my goodness. So here is our little twist tie. I painted it black with some nail polish. And now we can just insert our little feather pen. Just take a look, you guys. Isn't this cool? Oh, I just love it. We have the Gryffindor patch in the Gryffindor colors, and it says Brave at Heart, and we have a feather pen that we can remove and use in our notebook. Alright everyone, so we have 3 notebook covers. So the video for these 2 are posted on my other channel, Evie's Toy House. So if you haven't seen it, make sure to go over there and check it out. And of course we have this brand new one, and I love that it has a little pen holder right here. Isn't that cool? So which one do you like best so far? Do you like the My Little Pony one, the Miraculous Ladybug Queen Bee notebook cover, or the Gryffindor one from Harry Potter? And which other ones do you think I should make next? Let me know down below in the comment section, and I'll see you next time. Bye!